This is a new 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's powered by four-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, a spoiler, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.